Good morning.
Good morning. I really want to move this mattress out of his room because it takes up so much space, but it's actually so nice in the morning to just come in to his room and just chill on the mattress. Really lazy mornings every morning. So this is me doing a voiceover, and I realized that I definitely don't do voiceovers enough, and it's actually like the best way for me to create content these days, I feel like, because life is just so chaotic with a new baby, and it's just usually really loud when I am filming. So it's kind of nice to just sit here and reflect, I guess, on like my day or what I did that day. So get used to more voiceovers. But here I am just making us some lunch. It's probably like breakfast and lunch at the same time because we always forget to eat. We're trying to be better about that, but realistically, we only eat like 2 meals a day. I feel like that needs to change, but also I kind of enjoy like my really big lunches. I'm hungry. Can't believe this is what we're eating for breakfast.
This is crazy.
It's so big. Cheers.
Damn. Cheers. That's yummy.
I had no idea what the flavors would be like because we've never bought it. Like, I guess kind of like pre-made and packaged like this before.
It's really good.
Lately, I've been on a huge skincare kick. I've just been trying to figure out like what really works for my skin, like how to get my skin to like the optimal, beautiful, glowy, like clear, textureless skin. I'm trying to figure out what works well for me, and it's not just about the products, it's about eating right, trying to sleep, drinking water. I don't know how well it's going. I feel like it's the intention more than actual execution of it, but I've been trying out these new products from SUKIN, which I'm really liking. They're my new favorite go-to natural skincare brand. They're Australian made and they're vegan, cruelty-free. They're 98.8% natural, which is quite natural. They're carbon neutral and made with recyclable packaging. They're also super affordable, which I really love, and my skin personally really likes natural skincare. Obviously, when it comes to skincare, it's not a one-size-fits-all. You need to figure out what works best for you, but if you are interested in natural skincare, definitely check them out. I'll leave a link below in my description. But now I'm using the Hydration Elixir, which is one of my favorite products from them, and it's essentially face oil, and I like to use it to give myself little face massages, and I find that this really helps to depuff and also help with like some face asymmetry. This is not a new thing, like people have been doing face massages for a long time. So I know I showed my little face massages for a really short amount of time, but if you're interested, you can find tons of videos on the internet, and here's just a close look at my very real, unfiltered, beautiful face. How tall are you? Bro, what the heck?
You know how tall I am.
Oh my god, I have to... Oh my god.
This is why I slouch.
I won't even be in frame, bro. Oh my god. So anyways, like I was saying, if you want to check out some natural skincare products to add to your routine, I'll leave a link in the description below to some of my favorite SUKIN products. I've heard amazing things about their clay mask and also their moisturizers, but the revitalizing facial scrub that I was showing you guys earlier is definitely one of my favorite products by them. It's like exfoliating, but then also really like hydrating, which is amazing. It's like so creamy. I love it.
Tell me why we were supposed to edit today and you've been laying here the whole time.
Wow. First of all, I'm working.
That's good.
Okay. Second of all, I'll get to it when I get to it.
Wow, look at the sun
I'm
though.
also so surprised that Blue's still sleeping.
He's like rolling around a little bit right now, but I think he's still trying to sleep longer. Is that you? Whoa, what's happening? That's you. Bad boy.
Just realized that this is my position while recording. Blue, white is my head on Dan's foot. Hello, family. Hi.
Hello.
Hi, Don Blue. Hi, baby. We just went to the bank and I got so many compliments on my jacket and my hair. It was like the teller was giving me compliments, and then another person came by and they were both giving me compliments. They just kept coming, and I feel like this jacket brings so much joy to people. It brings joy to me. So today's a good day. We're going to shoot some content. I'm shooting for Little Burgundy, an opening ceremony, and then Dayon's shooting with Puma. Why are you just soft smiling? Is it because there's someone playing live music on the street right now? What are we in New Orleans? Hi, baby.
Finding an intro is tough, man. Boy, bye. But, her boy, bye. But, a boy, bye.
I think I'm just over it. Or could it be that I'm aggravated? It's over, so move over. I told you, no do-overs. Boy, bye.
Hey, what you talking about?
This is like, do the eyebrow.
Nothing like the real thing. Oh, I said, babe, you got me running around.
Those cool kids for you.
High school, 2010, I was the
Hey, that's my grad year.
Man's is dating himself. Okay, I'm just getting into like a sad version of.
for the longest time.
I just want pop. Wow, the way that your hair jiggles. Blue.
It's a Costco haul.
Brace yourself.
Say hi, baby. Hello. Hello.
We got so much stuff. This is way more stuff than we were expecting to get. So this is probably the first photo shoot that I've done in such a long time with other people, like doing my makeup and actually taking the photos, because I mean, we and Dan have done photo shoots at home, but it's really not the same experience at all. And this was actually organized by my friend Mal and her friend Betty. So Mal is an incredible entrepreneur. Like, she's one of the most inspiring people that I've ever met, and she's always doing something creative and fun, and just to surround yourself with people like that, I think is so special, especially in this time of my life where I'm trying to create and do more and push myself. So I'm so happy that she thought of me for this project, and all of the proceeds for this book that they're making, which I'm going to be featuring, called DISPONE, is going towards the Vancouver Black Therapy and Advocacy Fund, which was started by Betty, who was the other person that organized this project with Mal. Watermelon! He wants to hold it. He's going to squeeze it and all the juice is going to get everywhere. In DISPONE, I talk about my relationship with my body, my relationship with myself, and everything that's kind of shifted and changed for me, and kind of like this new phase of my life in becoming a mother and like everything that that means. I think that when people talk about this, even before I became a mother, like, I feel like I almost did like an eye roll. I don't know why. I think it's just because societally, like, we think of women's lives as being over, or that like you kind of succumb to societal expectations of you. And so I'll admit that before I became a mother, that was my view, and it was subconscious and it's rude. But in all honesty, becoming a mother is one of the best things that has ever happened to me. I mean, not only is Blue like a ball of sunshine, like he is literally the happiest baby, and even if he wasn't, like he is such a joy. It's affected my career, my mental state, my emotional state, our relationship, literally everything about my life. I feel like I've put onto like a magnifying glass, and now I'm really able to look at it and examine it, and like for the first time in my life really feel like I don't want to be on autopilot. Like I've always been very conscious of wanting to be the best version of myself, and now even more than that. And I mean, it's triggered by motherhood, but there are things that obviously you could experience in your life that do push you in this way, the way that motherhood has pushed me. And so I think it's less about the actual act of having a baby, and I think it's more about taking the time to be present. So I am part of chapter 3 in this book, and if anybody is interested in pre-ordering it or ordering it, it's called DISPONE. I'll have the link below, but they did such a beautiful job of making it inclusive. There are really incredible imagery and narratives from other Black, Indigenous, people of color, and I'm just so happy to be a part of this project. And I love being on set. Like I love doing photo shoots, and I love sharing this part of myself and being creative in this way and working with a team on things. So I'm always manifesting like doing more of this, and I'm so happy that we got to do that, and I'm so happy that Blue was able to be with me, and I'm happy that Dayon was there to support us. And it's just so beautiful to be able to live this life, and I forget that I dreamt of this for so long and that it's finally here. And again, going back to being present, but just like not taking any of it for granted.
Oh my god. What did you make, Nina?
I made a little chicken breast with jerk seasoning, some arugula, tomato, avocado, you know, just a little something fresh. Just decided to whip it up. I'm so hungry. Wow, fucking chef in the house. You don't even need to hold it like that, Deck. You're only holding 2 plates.
Well, one person needs to make sure that everything here is in order. Would you like to take a seat, ma'am?
Thank you.
Get your food ready here.
Just a sock.
Let's get rid of that. I'm just coming up right here on your right.
Thank
So
you.
we
Wow.
had some chicken breast marinated with jerk sauce. Then we got avocado sliced 2 ways. One a little thick, one a little thinner than the other. We got tomatoes and fresh arugula from the farm factory.
Thank you, sir. Wow, this looks really good.
How much watermelon is in your mouth, sir? Oh, wow. Wow. You want more?